Students can create folders as long as they are in the standard interface of Wixie. Start by selecting New, then selecting Folder. Give the folder a name, and then select Save. Once the folder is created, the students are able to move projects into the folder. Simply select the three dots, select Move To, select the folder, and then select Move Here. Let's do that one more time. Select the item, three dots, Move To, folder, Move Here. And that's it. That's how students can create a folder in Wixie and organize all of their projects. Happy creating!